Hey, yo, what's up? Welcome back to Marketing in That Vehicle. I am your host. I am Tony Porter. I am the president CEO of the 9 to 5 Kickers, Wicked Artistry Candle Company, Tony's Passive Income, T5 Sports Performance, Wave Tech Beats, Beats by Wave Tech. All of those are companies that I've started, been working with, and doing for a long period of time. So let's jump right into it on why you want to have these streams of income. And what this video is about today is the EIN number. So you want to have these streams of income because the fastest way to becoming financially free in seven-figure income is multiple streams. There are a lot of people say, nah, that's not true. Yes, that is true. You know why that's true? Because here's what people don't tell you. Warren Buffett is probably the most efficient stock guru that we know, well known. Warren Buffett has invested in multi-million companies, million-dollar companies, time in and time out. Warren Buffett owns a ton of companies. Stocks was one of his main things he invested in. But in order for him to get that money, the companies that he was using took and he invested into the stock market. Prime example, Elon Musk. Elon Musk started out owning PayPal. Now he owns Tesla. You see where we're going with this? So there's streams of income. Now, in order for them to be successful, they had to register their businesses with their state, Secretary of States. Now, the next part to that party is they had to get financially situated with the IRS. So you don't want to never use your own personal Social Security number doing business. Here's why: because your credit may be too low. So what you want to do is you want to register with the register with the IRS for your EIN number. That's your it's an employee identification number. Okay, so this registers you, and this is where you can start. People can start seeing that A, you're a legitimate business. B, if you want to do business with them, do vendor credit, lines of credit. This is where you start building your trade lines. These businesses out here, they want to make sure that you are legit. Investors want to make sure you're legit. Businesses want to make sure you're legit, and all of this can be checked. So the main company that I'm working on right now is Wicked Artistry Candle Company. All right, I'm registered. I have my EIN number. Signed up for my business credit profile, and I have my business checking account. All four of those. So with that being said, that's what you have to do. You have to make sure that you're business savvy, because if you start a business, you might not have the capital. People can see that you don't have the capital, but if they see that you are registered and you have legitimate, everything is legitimately set up, you're structured legally, you have your EIN number, you have, they can check you on the credit report after so many months, and you have a business checking account, guess what? Boom, you are set to go. So with that being said, let's think about that. How do you want to do business? Do you want to do business the wrong way or the right way? Because doing business the wrong way could lead you down the wrong path. Doing business the right way could lead you to financially being free. I'm not saying millions. I'm not saying seven figures off the top, because even though you're in business for yourself, you still got to do and put in some hard work. All right, you work harder being an entrepreneur than you do working for a company, but you control majority of your time. And that's what it is with me. When I retire, I'm not going back to work for nobody. I want to control my time. So that's what I've started. I've started to take control of my time and nobody else's time. So we've covered registering with your Secretary of State, and we've covered your EIN number. The next video, we are going to discuss registering with Dun Bradstreet. That's our business credit, man. You feel me? Let's get to it. I'll see you in the next video.